In this video, we will learn how to hide likes on threads. Let's get started. I have a thread account. If you don't have one, on Android go to your Google Play Store, and in the case of iPhone, you need to go to the App Store, install the app, and create an account. The Threads app is an Instagram app. Here you can see once this loads 1027, like 651 likes, and 655 likes. Go to the profile button at the bottom right, and then that globe icon at the top left. Now you can see at the bottom here is hide likes. I can press on that, it brings us to Instagram. It says hide likes. This setting also applies to threads. So you have to hide likes both on the Threads app and on the Instagram app. You can on this toggle. You can see I can go back to Threads and go home. I can just refresh this, and it won't show any of the likes on any of these. It will just show the replies. Basically, it disables the like feature for both Instagram and the Threads. This is how to hide likes on Threads. I hope you learned something from this video. If you have any question, don't hesitate to comment down below. And thank you for watching.